Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to switch account on Discord mobile. So first of all we will go into the Discord mobile application. So click over here, and after that you have to click on three dots and just go to your profile. Okay, and after that you have to click on account. As you can see here that there is a no any quick option that you can change your account instantly. So you have to do one thing, you have to log out from this account, and after logging out you will get an option to log in again, and you can log in here by your second Discord account. So you have to fill the details, and after filling it you will get instantly into your another account. So whenever you want to switch account on mobile you have to log out and log in again and again. Unfortunately there is no other option than this. This is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you then like this video, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.